I didn't even know it was that bad until I was like in it.
Relieved but still shaken after 16 hours stranded during whiteout conditions over the weekend.
My car was soon like covered in snow like right away, like I couldn't see. Like my windows were like covered and the front, I couldn't see anything.
Amanda Fidel will never forget how quickly her car battery died Friday night, then no power left on her cell phone in a freezing Honda on I-90 westbound near Bishop Road.
I was like having a panic attack. Like I was like freaking out. I didn't know what I should do. I didn't know if I should get out. I didn't know if it was safe at the time because I didn't know if I was in the road or not.
She tried calling her dad who lives in Madison. His phone rang once before hers officially died. No connection. He knew something was desperately wrong because of the weather. And hours later, Madison police tracked her phone to Wickliffe. Amanda says she couldn't open the car doors to get out.
I knew in my heart she was freezing and we couldn't do anything. So we were very emotional.
Thankfully, after a family and friend-led search, she was found Saturday morning.
Thank God everybody was praying and we were able to find her.
And after the life-changing ordeal, this family says it's a lesson to pay attention.
You take it for granted because of cell phones today that, someone helped them. I'm guilty of that myself.
You just assume that, oh, they called for help. They're out of there, you know.
But as Amanda will tell you, that's not always the case.